Taking a look at Grab here today, Grab at 478, down about 10% after the earnings. So this isn't anything I'm really afraid of in terms of going long term, right? So this dip down 10%, I view this as a dip opportunity. If I'm viewing this on the daily chart and I put the Fibonacci retracement back down to 298 all the way to this high of, let's go ahead and put 572 here, since that is our recent high. We are respecting the support here at 467. I think the possible bottom for Grab is potentially at the 100 EMA or slightly below it. Okay, so the 100 EMA on the daily chart is at 455. That's a support level to keep an eye out for. 435, also another Fibonacci retracement support to keep an eye out for. And then I think the worst case scenario, or the most bearish case scenario, is right around $4.20. Okay. However, in my opinion, if the stock drops down to that low, I'm going to be adding more shares into my long-term portfolio. In my opinion, this isn't financial advice. I think Grab Holdings is going to be a great long-term stock. I think this is going to be a great growth stock. If we keep an eye out for a reversal towards the top side, and the resistances to keep an eye out for are 507 and as well as 540. Keep an eye out also for 516, and then the high here at 572. Okay, recently we hit a high of 570, and so I think those price targets are going to be tested, right? Those price resistances are going to be tested. And then in terms of a dip, what I predict is I don't think we'll break below 450. I think between 455 to about 467 is a possibility. But even right now, while we're right around the 50 EMA, which is at 476, I think that's a great entry for Grab Holdings. Because long term, if I go into the weekly chart and delete the previous Fibonacci retracement, long term, I think we're going to break above again that 200 EMA at 527. We should be getting a test towards 560, ranging into $8.30. If you can kind of see this on the weekly chart, I'm looking for something similar to this. We should see a move towards the top side towards 560. That could be a major resistance to keep an eye out for, and then watch for a break above that recent high of 572 into $8.30. So $8.30 is my price target for this year for Grab Holdings. I think by potentially 2027, we could potentially see a price test towards $10, which is why I think below $5 is a great entry for Grab Holdings. I know yesterday I made a video on Grab Holdings right when it was at like 540 or 530. I think even below 560 is a good dip opportunity, right? But that's just me. I'm long-term on Grab Holdings. This isn't financial advice. If you are long-term on Grab Holdings and you experienced the company like I did in Vietnam or in any parts of Asia, I believe Grab Holdings is also in, Grab app is also in UK, I believe. But if you have experienced this app and you know what I know, I think there's just so many people that use this app. I believe this company is going to grow a lot faster than people expect. So by the end of this year, by next year as well, just keep an eye out for a growth spurt for Grab Holdings. I'm pretty sure we will see a test towards $8.30. Link down below in the description if you want to join the Discord. We have a lot of people on Grab Holdings as well, sharing due diligence and sharing technical analysis. If you have questions or you want to share your own thoughts as well, please feel free to join the Discord with the link down below in the description. Now, if you want our live entries and exits, especially for short-term and long-term trading, you can view them by joining our Patreon. We currently have a 90% off discount. Highly recommend checking that out. Link down below in the description. It is going to be a permanent lifetime 90% off discount as long as you secure it, all right? We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. That's why we have that big discount. Again, there's 20 analysts. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to join down below, okay? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Grab Holdings. Again, I do think we're going to get a test back up towards 560.